This lesson is going to be on consumer materials. What are consumer materials? Well, they can be advertisements, they can be coupons, and they can be just information about a product. So how do you read them? First, you find the big and colorful text. That is what the advertisers want for you to see first. It most likely is going to be positive information. In this case, you can get up to 20% off. Next, read the smaller print. That will contain information the company is less excited to tell you. For this coupon, the smaller text is telling us the restrictions. For example, this coupon can only be used for used games. Next, let's look at some complicated product information. First, don't get overwhelmed. They're throwing a lot of information at you. You don't need to read it all. They might ask you a question like, which one of these phones has an HDMI? So you look at the left-hand column over here and read down until you find HDMI. RAM, no. Display size, no. Flash, GPS. Oh, there it is, HDMI. So now we look over in the column. No, yes, and yes. So the product that does not have an HDMI would be the iPhone, while the Droid X and the Captivate both do. Sometimes they are tricky and ask you things using different wording than is in the chart. For example, they might ask you which one of these phones is the heaviest. To find that answer, first you must look at the left-hand side column. Model, no. RAM, no. Size, no. Weight. Weight could help you figure out which one of these is the heaviest. Next, you go across and read the weight for each one. So we have 4.8, we have 5.4, and we have 4.5. And the heaviest of them is right there, 5.4 ounces. So we can know that the Droid X was the heaviest phone.